Hi, welcome to my channel Microgeot. So today I'll be showing Osram LED Premium for my Kia Seltos, which is having a projector type headlights. So if it is a projector type headlights for Kia Seltos, then you wanted to choose BH3 or 9005. You can see here 9005 BH3 types of filament for your Kia Seltos HTK or projector type headlights. As I told, there is a small note. So this particular type, that is BH3, does not have both low beam and high beam in single bulb. That kind of feature you can see in H4, but in Kia Seltos there is a separate light for high beam and separate light for low beam, and separate light for fog. So this particular you can use either for high beam or low beam, but as per my recommendation, or the high beam in Kia Seltos is very good, so I recommend HB3 you can use for low beam. Let's go and install. Yeah, hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing on Osram 25 watt LEDs for my Kia Seltos HTK Plus, which is an projector type of headlamps. So this is the stock light. So I can this is in, you can see it's in normal mode. So this is a stock LED. So if I increase it, you can see it is moving up. This is the minimum and this is the high beam. So in this HTK Plus there are two separate bulbs. One is for low beam and one is for high beam. This is low beam, where you can adjust the angles. You can see, yeah, and there is an high beam, separate LED for an high beam. So now we'll be replacing with Osram 25 watt each bulb, that is totally two bulbs of 50 watt. Let's see its intensity. And yeah, as I told, if you are going for H4 bulbs in the same Osram, you'll be having single bulb which is having both high beam and low beam. But few models like Kia Seltos HTK Plus, which is having a projector, it will be having a bulb series of 9005 or else HB3 series, which is having separate LEDs, separate light for low beam and separate light or separate bulb for high beam. Okay, let's replace it. Yeah, you can see this is Osram 600 Kelvin cool LED brightness. So I am increasing it. Yeah, so it is almost 3 times better than the stock LEDs. And for your information, my assumption was wrong. That was, I thought these LEDs are meant either for low beam or high beam, but after installation I came to know in Kia Seltos projector type there is a small arrangement with the same bulb. You can do both high beam and low beam. So you can see high beam. High beam is crazy. It's almost 3 times better than the stock, and this is the low beam. So for installation he charged me 100 rupees. So you can see the brightness, it is so cool. and it is very good, and high beam, very powerful. And the stock bulb is of 60 watt each, and this LED is each of 25 watt. So you can see, even if it is 25 watt, no need of wiring or relay anything, it is just put plug and play type. So yeah, sorry for, like as I told before, the same LED works for both low beam and high beam, because in Kia Seltos there is a small option arrangement in the projector itself which helps the bulb for both high beam and low beam. Okay, so existing stock bulb is each of 60 watt. I can show you a small piece of the stock bulb. Yeah, you can see this is a stock bulb, and one second, I'll put off my light. You can see HB3905 12 volt 60 watt, and this is Osram LED. Yeah, you can see this is the Osram LED which was plug and play type, and then you can see the intensity, it is almost 3 times better, and high beam is crazy, it is full powerful. Yeah, thank you.